Hello everybody and welcome. I would say to another video, but you get that by now, it's obviously another video. What I was doing in a previous video where I've been looking at the oscilloscopy thing, the sound digitizer, what I couldn't do was I couldn't use the question mark and the slash key. I needed that for dividing by 2 and 0.5 and I couldn't do it. So I thought what I'd do is I'd have a look and you know, see if I could fix the keyboard. Now, I didn't video it because I was expecting a phone call from my plumber because we have a leak. So I took some photographs as I was doing it, and as it turns out, the plumber's still not turned up. So I thought I'd do a quick video to show you what's going on now. So, as you can see from the stills that I want to put in here, I desoldered the keycap, desoldered the key, cleaned it internally, put it back together again, and now, as you can see, the whole keyboard works. Now I really wish I'd videoed it, but it's just one of those things. It's a tiny little video this time, but that just goes to show how easy it is to desolder the keyboard, the keycaps, pop them out of the case, out of the metal surround, undo them, jiggle them around a bit, make sure the springs are aligned, and then put them back together again and continuity test them, which beforehand didn't work, and then after I took it apart and put it back together again, the continuity was there and everything was superb. So a very short video this time, keyboard repair, Tatung Einstein, fully working. Last thing to do now is sort the badge out. Well, thanks for watching this very short video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification icon so that you get notifications when I upload more videos. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, give it a thumbs down if you don't, and please leave me a comment. The more comments I get on the Einstein, the more I know that there's people in the Einstein community still using their machines, because we're very few and far between. And on that note, thank you very much. Goodbye.